guys, running Kimono. So we have more Walgreens right here. We have some coupon mail and a little giveaway. If you like giveaways, you might want to hang out for that one. We have some free candy over at the Dollar Tree. And then some Walmart IBOTTA, just little like freebies and cheapies. And then I wanted to talk about a return over at Bath & Body Works. Because I'm not sure if a lot of you shop over there, but I did an order with their website and 2 candles came smashed. And then I just brought the old candles back to like the cracked ones. All of the glass had shattered. Not sure if it was like the weather or what, but I just went back to the store and they exchanged it right away for me. So I just wanted to tell you guys about that because I know that a lot of you might be, you know, just like not sure. But if you ever get an order where things are messed up, just bring it to the store and they will make it right. Weather report for you guys. It's a really beautiful day. It's very warm and all the kitties are probably out hunting. And I'm gonna draw the blinds because there's some weird light patterns going on right now on my table, which I don't really like, but there's nothing we can do. Okay, so first store we're going to talk about is Walgreens. And in yesterday's video, I was talking about this Delsum that was on clearance, and there was a whole lot of it. I will provide the UPCs as well if you want to check out your store, if it might be on clearance. And with clearance, it's always a year mileage may vary, so I did it 2 different ways. So the first thing that I did was I grabbed 2 of these, and one is in they're both the grape flavors for $1.79. So for 2 of them, that's $2.74. I paid that out of pocket. Now over on the coupons.com app, I have a $2 rebate that I can do twice. It's 2 different rebates. So I'm gonna get back $4, guys, making this a $1.26 moneymaker. Coupons.com app, you cannot use a manufacturer to claim the rebates because the rebates on the coupons.com app are like, they're coupons. It's not like a rebate like IBOTTA. But anyhow, this was a really great deal for me. So that's why I would like keep an eye out for this before the rebate expires because like $4 of money is pretty good. Don't use Walgreens cash. Don't use Register Rewards. Pay cash for this and you will get back your $4 from coupons.com. And if you've been kind of like not sure about the coupons.com app, I will put a video at the in the notes on how to use the app. I made a very decisive video and it's a pretty easy app to use. The next little deal that I did was, I can't get enough of this cough syrup. You probably think I drink it, but I don't. Or maybe I do. There's a $2 coupon in the Smart Source of February the 7th. So I used 2 of those. The verbiage of it is like 2 per household or else. So at $1.79 for 3 of them, that's $5.37. Subtracting 2 manufacturers, I paid $1.37 out of pocket. I used $1 of Walgreens cash and paid 37 cents, and I'm all about that. Expire till May of 2023, so that's gonna last a really long time. I can use it or gift it or donate it, although I haven't had a cold this winter. I don't know if any of you have been like that too, just like no cold, no flu, no nothing, but you know, it's like, it's really good to have this stuff. It's quite handy, especially if you get sick, because something like this at the store, I think I checked it out at Walmart for this Delsum brand, and it was like $10 or $11 for one of these. So even at $1.79, guys, that's a really good stock up price for your pantry. So that was Walgreens, and I'm still delighted to be finding these. So this deal is kind of like, if you want to do it, but it's not really a given because it's with the Checkout 51 app. And with that app, it's very persnickety that they can pull it at a moment's notice or they can change it at a moment's notice. So my friend Karen was talking about this on her Instagram and I was like, oh, I should check that out. So these over at the Dollar Tree are $1. Where you will find these are at checkout, they have like a little candy stand and I found it at the bottom. So if you're going to the regular candy aisle, you will not find it. You'll find it at their like checkout area. I found it on a bottom shelf. I'll insert a photo here in a second. Anyhow, grabbing 5 of these, that's $5 on the nose. You'll pay that. And then Checkout 51 has a $1 rebate for each, so it makes it completely for free. And I got my money right away. If you're not about taking risks or $5 is way too much for you to lose, don't do this. But if you're about rolling the dice, and if your Checkout 51 rebate has it, absolutely go for it and roll the dice and gamble. Why not? Freaking light. Everything's so cutting, it looks like some 1980s photography. Okay, so we're just going to talk about Ibotta really briefly. I had like do 25 rebates, get back $10. So I thought if I did like maybe 10 on today and then I could do maybe like 10 in a couple of days, I would get close to that. I'm not trying to do 25 all at once because I want to buy stuff that we're going to use. I don't want like stuff in my household that we're not going to use. So that's why I'm very particular with my Ibotta. So this is what I got. My husband's absolute and total favorite, this and Reese's. These are 88 cents each. Find them at checkout where you can, you know, check out candy. So for two of them, that's $1.76. Ibotta is giving back a 50-cent rebate, so it made it $1.26. Grab any photos, guys, at for any of these items when I was at Walmart because I wanted to get in and out as fast as possible. A lot of people not wearing masks and I just didn't want to be about that. You know, I just wanted to get in and out and not in anyone's space, socially distancing and all that good stuff. So I don't have the usual photos that I take of like, oh, here it is. You know, just to let you know that. So I apologize in advance because I was really trying to speed through my Ibottas and get in and out. The next thing I found also at checkout are these M&M caramels. Now I prefer the M&M peanuts, but it was not scanning with Ibotta, so I had to go with the caramel ones. These are $1.48, so for two of them it's $2.96. There was a 50-cent back plus a 10-cent back on any candy. So it's like $2.36, and I'll always eat these, so they're so yummy. These two little guys, I had a coupons.com that if I bought $10 of these bricks of the M&M's candy bars, I would get back $2, and I was so close to it. I needed $3, so I grabbed these two. You will find this in that aisle with the chips and the chocolate, like in the store. This isn't a checkout find. So two of these tablets are $1.68, so that would be $3.36. I got 50 points back from Shopkick, and then I also got back $2 from coupons.com. As I bought about $10 in the last month of these tablets. This one is my favorite. It's this almond one. It's so flippin' good. I would put this one right up with like Lindt chocolate. It's really, really delicious. I also got two of these Trident gums. They're $1.12 each. So for two of them, that's $2.24. Ibotta has $1.12 back, so it makes it 56 cents per package of gum. This allergy medication is 88 cents. There's an Ibotta rebate for 10-cent back, so it made it 78 cents. The Coke with coffee, this guy is $1.88. There's a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta, so it made it $1.38. This is quite the little find, these icy hot patches. They are $1.48, and Ibotta has a $2 rebate, making it free, plus a 52-cent money maker that you can do up to 3 times. And then the Skintimate, this little product here, they are $7.97. We have a $4 coupon from the Smart Source of February the 28th. So it makes it $3.97. You will pay, and then Ibotta has a $3 rebate back on each, so it made it 97 cents. And this is part of a bigger basket of get $10 back. So the next time I go shopping, I'll probably get my $10 rebate, so it'll smooth things out, because normally I would never pay 97 cents for a razor. but it will work out in the end. So that was Walmart. Okay guys, because I haven't done this in a really long time, I wanted to have a little flash giveaway. So this is going to be taking place right up until Thursday, March the 11th. And how to enter is to be a subscriber to my channel. Tell me where you're from in the comments. So say you're from Columbus, Ohio, write Columbus, Ohio shopper, and that is your entry. One entry per person, and I will be picking the winner on Thursday. Only one winner. And we're going to be giving away a fun little Walgreens gift card with a mystery amount on it. And then one of these nostalgia waffle makers. It's just super cute. This is actually on clearance over at Walmart for $4.96. The original price is $8.96. I'll show you the UPC if you want to look for one of these at your store. They have both this Tiffany green mint one, and they also have a red one, so whichever one you want. But they are super cute, and I just wanted to say a special thank you to all of my subscribers. I posted a video on Saturday, and sometimes when you post these videos, you just don't know how they're gonna land. Like, am I just being spoiled? Am I ranting just because? The video I made was about, you know, if I want to buy 600 of these, that's my business, meh. And just, you know, people that are so weighed down by the pandemic that they want to fight all the time. And just to talk about that coupled with stuff I see as an influencer. And a lot of you just agreed, or you shared your story. There was like 400 plus comments. I've only answered a handful. It would be impossible to write everybody back, but I've read quite a few, and I just want to say you guys are amazing. And for me to be honest and to tell my truth, I am exhausted by staying at home and not having a vaccine and being scared. And every time you turn on the news, it's like things are worse. And it just seems like this is no end in sight. But yet the message of that video is to practice kindness. And I think that in a time like this, that's all we can do. And to the many of you who just embraced the message and just, you know, saw what I was talking about, I thank you. And I know this will really make one of your days. Like, who would not want to get a little waffle maker and a gift card in the mail? So good luck, guys. And again, this is one entry per person. And I also have a ton of these Smart Source inserts from my friend Sandra, and I will throw a couple of these in as well. So the last thing we're going to talk about are these inserts, and I have a whole bunch of them. So I'm just going to go through one. They're all pretty much the same. And then we're going to look at what Sandra has for sale. Now, Sandra's Instagram account was taken down, I think, last week. I will put her new Instagram along with her email if you want to send her a message, and we'll see what she has also up for grabs. I do talk a lot, so we're going to do this pretty quickly. But, you know, just a whole bunch of stuff. A lot of these have a longer expiry date, so that's why I'm going to throw them in. She sent me so many of these ones. If you have kids, there's a lot of cereal. Allergy time. Oh, $4 off a Tana. That's a great one. Oh, okay, guys. So this $4 on off of one Schick, on one Skintimate or Schick women's razor or refill. So there it is. Okay, let's go look at Sandra's price board. Okay guys, so she's really promoting this, which is the 3-7 bundle. So this is from last weekend that include the Persil, Dial, L'Oreal, Maybelline. So 5 of each, which is 20 books, is $20 with shipping included. Jumping up to 10 is $32. And then if you go over to her link tree, she has the same amount of those 3-7 bundles. And then she also has the March P&G, which is right at the top. Her email and her new Instagram is included in the notes if you want to go and check it out, or send her an email if you're not sure about any of this stuff. And she ships out of California and into the Midwest. It's usually a pretty quick turnaround. As always, guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.